What if I told you that you are the only thing preventing you from realizing your dreams? Not your surroundings, not your talent, not your alarm clock, just you. If you stay with me for the next 5 minutes, we'll ignite the motivation you need to wake up, move, and take charge of your life. You may have been waiting for this wake-up call. When you wake up in the morning, what motivates you? Is that a clock with an alarm? Your folks? Your companions? It's none of those. Let me tell you that. You are the only one who can actually get you moving. You have an option, each and every day. The issue is that we are all hampered by just one word. That one, but. I'm not good enough, though. However, I'm not intelligent enough. However, I lack the funds and resources. Does that sound familiar? Your potential is surrounded by that but. It's time to let go of the buts if you want to live the life you've always wanted and enter the future you deserve. Let's face it, everyone has thrown a pity party at some point. Perhaps you're rehearsing the same negative thoughts over and over again because something didn't work out for you. The catch is that I'm giving you 3 days. 3 days to experience it, digest it, then release it. Then, cut the music, stop making excuses, and come up with a strategy. Will you settle down and sit there? Or will you declare, enough is enough? Because the passive does not bring about change. When it comes to persistent people, you pursue what you feel is rightfully yours, and you persist until you achieve it. For a period. Life is difficult. You will encounter obstacles. You'll lose your employment. People will question you. What the heck? That is a test of your life. Are you sick and weary of the same routines, habits, and outcomes? Excellent. Get weary. Get so exhausted that you declare, no more excuses, when you wake up one morning. No more assigning blame. It's showtime, you say to yourself as you gaze in the mirror. Rise, attend class, get your work done, be the last person out and the first person in. You work harder than anyone else while no one is looking. They may begin to be referred to as built differently. Permit them. That's the outcome of your decisions, not a sign of hubris. And those decisions? You are in charge of them. Why are you here then? Why have you reached this point? Assume responsibility for it. You won't get what you deserve from the world. You will only receive what you have worked for. Indeed, the path is more difficult for some. However, you must battle for what you desire regardless of your situation, each and every day. You owe nothing to winning. It lacks loyalty. No matter how exhausted you are or how much work you have already done, it doesn't care. You must give it your all and then some in order to win. It will put you to the test. It will engender uncertainty and dread. The worst part is that losing is the only thing that is certain if you don't pursue it. So, when the distance is uncertain, are you prepared to run? Are you prepared to work hard when there is no assurance of success? Getting what you deserve is not the point of this. It's about demonstrating to yourself that you are more capable than you previously thought. The time has come. Now is the time to stop waiting and take action. The point at which you demonstrate to the world and to yourself that you were sent here for a reason. Today is the first day. Tomorrow is the next day. And it never ends. Rise. Strive for it. Strive for it. You hold your life in your hands. What are you going to do about it, I wonder? Come on.